Okay, let's go.
Okay, we'll go this way. I'm thinking this bunch of clouds right here looks
Yeah, pretty ominous.
pretty serious stuff.
Well, that's the first lightning we've seen all day.
Yeah. Okay, we're on Clarksville Highway, I believe.
Clarksville is tornado warned. That's what it is.
Clarksville?
Uh-huh.
So that's where this road takes us.
Look straight ahead.
Wow.
What is that? It's dark. It's like a...
Oh, it's like a wall.
Yeah.
It's a wall cloud there.
Yes! Wall cloud directly in front of us.
Look at those little hooks coming down.
Yeah.
The car is steaming up for some reason. Whoa. Wow. Wowie.
It's greenish.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh. Oh look, directly.
Yeah. Got a hook coming there.
Which way is it heading? Is it heading straight for us? Or is it going that way?
I'm not sure. No, it's going to the right of us. If we can get out on a ridge, we'd be able to see what this is.
Look.
Wow.
Okay, let's back off a little bit here. That just came...
We're overtaking it now. I just want to get into a clear area.
How do you zoom in on this thing? Oh, I got it. That's a tornado right there. Or at least a funnel cloud. Yeah, let's slow down a little bit and pull over. I am shaking like a leaf. I don't know, I hope I got that on camera. I actually saw the storm build and then dissipate.
Pull in here. I can't tell if I'm recording or not. Oh, I see where I looked wrong.
I saw it build and then it lifted again. I'm gonna film over here for the lightning.
I don't know. Looks pretty good. Seems like some serious crap going there.
That's coming right at us too.
This wind is blowing this way. The clouds are moving that way and the wind's blowing this way.
It's wind shear. But look right there, right there.
I wish I could zoom in.
I can.
That looks pretty black there, and then it's moving.
Oh, look at the rain.
That's the edge of it right here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Here comes the wind.
Clouds are just kind of
Circling. I mean, look at this greenish, yellowish, dirty tint. Hear the tornado sirens? Gotta listen real hard. They must be in a distance.
Ooh, 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 look right behind that pole. There's something kind of coming down. It kind of angles down.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Look, you can see it on here real easily.
Oh, yeah, yeah. This is a wall cloud right here.
Oh, okay.
All of this. Hear it?
Oh, yeah. Here's
The tornado sirens are going on. Oh, look at this, look at this. It's forming right here. Okay, we need to go. We're getting boxed in here. seatbelt on.
Clarksville. Are you still filming?
Uh-huh.
You've only got like 13 minutes. So
I know, I'm on minute 8.
be conservative. Just coming in from the right.
This is the wall cloud. Wow, this kind of just now hit me how stupid this is. Of all times, I've been talking about it. Oh, let's go storm chasing, It never realized how stupid it was until just now. When you have tornadoes forming on both sides of you.
We'll come out on this ridge here. We should be able to spot something. Whoa.
We're in a tornado right now.
Oh,
Look, we're in a tornado.
Holy cow. Wow.
We're in
Look at these sheets of rain.
We're in a rain-wrapped tornado. Let's move.
Holy cow. The wind, oh, look at this. It's blowing.
Where is it? We're inside a tornado right now.
I don't know. It could be moving over the top of us.
No, this is the outer rain bands of a rain-wrapped tornado. Oh, where is it? Look at these power lines.
Wow. I don't know if I want to get under that.
No, don't.
Look at that.
Look at that power line bouncing.
Holy cow.
Is that hail?
Look at the power line. Can you see it?
Yeah. Holy crap, man. Yeah, we need to turn left here.
Left?
Left. Or just get out from underneath this thing. There it is, right there. Look at the darker area.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
There's a tornado right there on the ground. I'm almost out of freaking tape. Oh my gosh.
Is that it?
Should I report it?
No,
not yet.
Not yet.
It's not a confirmed sighting?
Not yet.
Holy crap, man.
Look at how green that is.
Yeah.
That's nice. It just went over, so now the rain is...
Yeah, it's over there.
Yeah, you can see there's trees blowing up there.
We just drove through a flipping tornado. Oh my gosh. One intercept for us on the first freaking try.
Let's go, let's follow it.
Okay.